Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming your Roblox account, enabling two-factor authentication, and installing both Roblox and Universal Time. Once done, launch the game and pick a stable graphics preset. This reduces lag during fights. Make sure to bind movement keys and camera controls to comfortable positions so you react faster. While in lobby, check your inventory and equip any starter stand or sword items. This first setup prevents confusion when you teleport into active matches. Once you're in the flow, prioritize farming EXP through daily quests and consistent mob runs because level gates unlock stands and skills. You should spend in-game currency carefully. Upgrade your main stand first, then diversify. Practice ability combos in a safe zone, learn which skills chain into high-damage moves and which interrupt animations. Also, monitor cooldowns and stamina. Timing your evasive roll between long animations keeps you alive. Remember to join groups or parties to speed progress. To finish a session well, focus on end-game content. Join raids and PvP lobbies to test your build and farm rare drops. You need to optimize hotkeys and graphics memory, lower shadows or texture quality to stabilize FPS in crowded fights. If you encounter crashes, first verify Roblox files, clear the game cache, and relaunch. If that fails, reinstall the client. Finally, rebind keys after changes and practice your combos in safe matches, so you enter the next run confident and ready.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.